victim is missing in Avenue since the 28th, but there are a lot of witnesses in this case. Now since the victim is missing and she not to be found, like everyone has a fear that even the witnesses can be missing. So we request you to give all the witnesses protection in this case. And it is the duty of the police and the state government to take care of the witnesses in any case, and especially high-profile cases. So please.
All our stakes are surrounding you.
Sir, not necessary, sir. And I'm not very sure of where the witnesses are from. So also request the police to have a check on the witnesses whether they are around or not. Today we went and met the Chief Minister, and as we know that in the case the victim is missing. However, we also feel that the witnesses have a fear, they have a threat. So we requested the Chief Minister, we gave him a letter and we told him that to check on the witnesses whether all are safe or not. And he has also spoken to the SP of the South and told the SP to have a look, give him the whole list and to find out if there is any person who is at risk, then he could provide security to them, protection to them with civil clothes also. That is not a problem for him. Okay, so our Chief Minister has been very helpful and he has helped us. We do not know who are playing real games in this, but we want the safety of people, the victim and the witnesses in this case.
इन्क्वायरी करची
आम्ही ऑलरेडी सांगायची आहे मा की सगळे जे हितून आहा जे ताका मेवताले कोण ताका येतालो मेवपाक NGOs जे इन्वॉल्व आहा हितून institution जे आहा CWC members जे आहा whoever was in touch with the girl, and if they feel that the accused is also there, it is the police duty. So if the police feels it is required, it is required. It is not that if I demand that it has to come, it is the police's look out for it. Our demand is everything should be safe. If there is any fear in victim, the victim is fearful, yes, the victim has to be provided protection. If the witnesses are having fear, the witnesses should be provided protection. That's all is our demand, and the police have the whole right and authority because they are the law enforcement agents. Okay, so they can enforce law on everyone whom they want, and if they find any kind of involvement of anyone in this girl's missing, they have to interview them or they have to cross question them.
होप फाउंडेशन जे आसा हांच्यांनी प्रोटेक्शन विटनेसीसांक दिवपाचें म्हणटा विक्टीम केसीस जिके विटनेस आसा तिका सगळ्यांक प्रोटेक्शन दिवचें आनी ताका बेगीन सर्च करचें म्हणून तांच्यांनी म्हाका एक निवेदन दिलां. हांवें ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स जी आसा तांचो केस हँडल करपी SP सावथ ताका ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिलां की जितके विटनेसीस आसा कोण आसा हे एक्झॅक्टली आतां तांकांच खबर आसतलें ते सोदून काडा तांच्या बाबतींत इन प्लेस ते हांगासर आसा आउट ऑफ स्टेशन आसा काय कितें हें बी पळया म्हटलां आनी तांकां प्रोटेक्शन इफ दे रिक्वायर्ड द प्रोटेक्शन किंवा पुलिसांक जर दिसता आसा तांकां प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाचें गरज आसा जाल्यार तांकां प्रोटेक्शनूय बी ताबडतोब दिया हाजी इन्स्ट्रक्शनूय ऑलरेडी दिल्या. ते केसीचे अजूनही ताजे कडेन म्हणणें आसा की आमी सगळ्या पूर्ण कोस्टल बेल्टाक ऑलरेडी म्हणजे ताका सोदीत आसा सगळे आमचे ऑल पुलीस स्टेशन इन गोवा ताजो सर्च सुरू आसा टील नांव तें मेळना तर ते खंय तरी हाचेर कोण तरी ते दवरला आसपाक जाय असो अंदाज आसा एक्झॅक्टली लक्षांत येना किंवा ते खंय तरी गेला आसत जाल्यार तें कोणाच्या दृश्टी तातूंत पडना आसतलें. सो लेट अस सी
आनी कशें कितें चल्लां
ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन हें तेंच्यांनी ठरोवपाचें कितें करपाचें तितून हांव इंटरव्यून करूं शकना बट वी हॅव गिवन द फ्रिडम फॉर द पुलीस फूल फ्रिडम फॉर द पुलीस दॅट दे विल डिसायड वॉट टू डू.
हे सायटी बी करतले हातूंत
एट प्रेझेंट तरी तांच्याच कडल्यान जो पर्यंत अजूनही आमी तांचो विश्वास आसा सो दॅट दे आर डुईंग दॅट बेस्ट अजूनही तेज्या उपरांत मागीर निर्णय घेवं येता. एक्झॅक्टली आय डोंट नो वॉट द लिगल मॅटर इज इट इज अप टू देम.